Welcome to Car Updater, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, updates, and in-depth looks at the most exciting vehicles on the market. Today, we are diving into the 2025 BMW X5M, a high-performance SUV that blends power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology into one stunning package. If you're a fan of high-performance SUVs, this is a vehicle that demands attention. The 2025 BMW X5M continues the legacy of BMW's M division with a bold and aggressive design. The front end is dominated by a large kidney grille, flanked by sleek adaptive LED headlights that provide a sharp and modern look. The sculpted lines and aerodynamic elements not only enhance its appearance but also improve performance. Large air intakes, a muscular stance, and M-specific details like the quad exhaust setup give the SUV a commanding presence on the road. The rear design is equally striking, with an aggressive diffuser and a sporty roof spoiler that complement its high-performance nature. Under the hood, the 2025 X5M packs a serious punch. Powering this beast is a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine that delivers an exhilarating 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque in the competition trim. This powerhouse is paired with an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission that ensures lightning-fast shifts and seamless power delivery. With BM's X-Drive all-wheel drive system and an advanced differential, the X5M provides exceptional grip and handling in all conditions. The acceleration is breathtaking, with a 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.7 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in its class. Driving dynamics are where the X5M truly shines. The adaptive M suspension, active roll stabilization, and precise steering make it feel incredibly agile despite its size. Whether you're on winding mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the SUV remains planted and composed. The M-specific brakes provide impressive stopping power, giving you confidence at high speeds. With multiple drive modes, you can tailor the driving experience to your preference, from a comfortable daily drive to an aggressive track-ready setup. Step inside, and you're greeted with a luxurious and driver-focused cabin. Premium materials like merino leather, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents create an upscale atmosphere. The M-specific seats are both comfortable and supportive, offering multiple adjustments and heating, cooling, and massage functions. The digital cockpit features a massive 14.9-inch curved display that seamlessly integrates with a 12.3-inch instrument cluster. BMW's iDrive 8.5 system provides a user-friendly interface with crisp graphics and quick responses. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Harman Kardon or optional Bowers & Wilkins sound system, and advanced voice controls make the tech experience top-notch. Safety and driver assistance are also well covered in the 2025 X5M. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. BMW's advanced parking assistant makes maneuvering this performance SUV effortless. Additional options like night vision with pedestrian detection and highway assistant further enhance safety and convenience. Fuel efficiency is not the primary focus of the X5M, but considering its performance, it offers reasonable numbers for its class. Expect around 13 to 15 mpg in the city and 18 to 20 mpg on the highway, though real-world figures will depend on driving style. While this SUV is built for performance, it doesn't compromise on comfort, making it a practical choice for those who want both power and everyday usability. For 2025, BMW has fine-tuned the X5M with subtle updates that enhance its overall appeal. The refreshed design, improved tech, and refined driving dynamics make it an even more compelling option in the high-performance SUV segment. Whether you're looking for a thrilling driving experience, a luxurious interior, or the latest in automotive technology, the X5M delivers on all fronts. That wraps up our look at the 2025 BMW X5M. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest cars, be sure to subscribe to Car Updater for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.